Hi guys, I just realized that I never actually filmed an intro for this video, so I thought I would pop on here real quick. Just to introduce myself if you're new here, my name is Samantha LaChance. I'm going to be posting videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and this video is just a get ready / transformation with me for my New Year's Eve party. And don't worry, there's a bit of a chit chat portion in there as well, and if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I have a story time from after the party, and please subscribe. Could the lighting be better? Yes. Happy New Year's! Alright, well, Happy New Year's. Welcome to my get ready with me. My boyfriend is going to be here in 20 minutes. So we have 20 minutes to officially get ready. And let's see how this one goes. I came up with the idea of filming this video today. And yeah. Sorry that the lighting is not perfect. Could definitely get better. Alright, well, my apologies that this is a much better angle and more focused. But what can you do? I'm just gonna get my face done and then we'll get talking. Alright, so now I'm just baking. I'm gonna do my eyebrows quick. So tonight I'm going, my boyfriend has a friend. I think I've met him 2 times. And we're going to his house for New Year's. I have no idea what's going on. But that's what I'm up to. I decided to film this video today. As well, I thought of 2 other video ideas to film that are New Year themed. In my head, I want to fill them tonight when I get home. Is that gonna happen? I don't, probably not. I want to talk about my New Year's resolutions and kind of just a look back on 2018 because I think that'll be fun to watch and 10 years and my New Year's resolutions, but would be fun to watch at the end of the year to see if I actually did anything. I personally like New Year's resolutions. A lot of people are kind of against it because I think like it's just, I don't know, there's no follow through. I also am big on you can reinvent yourself at any time. Like in November I came up with like a resolution goal to go vegan for a month, and I did it. And I also want to make a video about that later. But yeah. If anyone's watching this, okay, I can't do my eyebrows on camera anymore. But if anybody's watching this, care to comment what your New Year's Eve plans are? Alright, could it be better? The answer is yes. My boyfriend is gonna be here in 10 minutes. He doesn't know I'm filming this video. He'd be mad because we're probably gonna be late. However, he will see this later, so cheers to that. I've done my eyebrows. I need to do eyeshadow now, which I'm not looking forward to. It just seems like a lot of work. I don't know how formal his friend's thing is going to be, but I plan on wearing a dress and going all out because it's New Year's Eve. And we'll see how that one goes. Flash to the future. Using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just, I don't plan on doing a lot, but just enough. So I'm still baking. I haven't taken it off. Sorry if this isn't the most interesting video, but again, I'm in a little crunch for time. I thought about filming this today, and then we started watching Bird Box. I watched it with my parents for like a little something for us to do together on New Year's Eve. And it was 2 hours. It's a long movie, so I'm just putting a light brown transition shade. Still just light brown transition shade. I have an idea for an entire series I've been planning. I'm just stressed because my dorm, although this isn't good lighting, my dorm definitely isn't good lighting. That's where I'm going to be for the next 4 months again. So I don't know. I think I should buy a ring light. But I can't do that till I get there. Okay, so I'm just going in with some browns. Nothing too particular right now. I'm just gradually making it darker. Also, I don't really know how to use my camera. But I got it when I first started posting videos like a year ago. And I no longer have the instructions for it, and I don't know what it's called. So there's that. My schedule next semester is going to be a lot busier than it was this semester. So I plan on posting videos every Thursday. I keep forgetting to say that in the intro of every video, but this will probably be the next. No. I have 2 videos I've already filmed. I filmed the last week of finals week in my life and the Gymshark haul video, and this is the next video I have. So I have them all filmed. My laptop was getting fixed, so I couldn't edit anything. And then I have 2 more filming ideas about New Year's. Then I have like 50 other ideas. I just need to edit. Editing is a process and a half. But I really want to focus on YouTube. I love YouTube so much. I love making the videos. I love watching the videos. I always think like this is my dream job. I wanted to create a channel for years and I never did. And then I keep thinking like nothing's gonna happen if I don't make it happen. And that's my resolution for 2019 is to start making things happen. I'm planning on making an entire video about my first semester at university. I don't want to talk too much about that, but hopefully this one goes better. I'm just going for like a bronzy gold look. So I want to be golden in 2019. 2019 I'm going to be turning 19, which means this is my last year as a teenager, and my parents won't even be there because my birthday's in March. I don't come home till April. Sometime in April after finals are done. Being home for Christmas break though, I have like a new appreciation for my hometown. My hometown. It's a town, it's a city. But that being said, I always thought I'd want to move away when I was older just to like experience it. I live in a nice city. Which I wouldn't be as grateful if I hadn't moved away. I feel like my eyebrow is patchy right here. Is it? Now it's mascara time. I'm stressed because he's gonna be here in 3 minutes. And not only am I not done my makeup, I'm also not dressed. I'm using the Bad Gal Bang mascara. Not my favorite. So what I do is I curl my lashes. Okay, so I like to curl my lashes, put mascara on, and curl it again. This mascara goes weird if you curl it again right away. So that's why I keep it baking and do my eyes first now, even though I used to do them last, I think. And then I leave this on, and then right at the end of my makeup routine, I curl it again and do my bottom lashes and like bottom makeup.
You're not ready yet? I'm good. I'll be there in a second. Love you too.
Uh-oh. Well, he will know I'm filming this video now.
It's not really a party.
Then what is it? But I'm almost done.
I'm beauty.
You know what you need for New Year's?
Charles
You need
Babbage.
Fenty. Alright, so this is my New Year's Eve outfit. No better way to do this. Just wearing a long black sweater dress. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready with me. If you did, please subscribe, and I hope you have a happy New Year's. Bye! Alright, so I've got a quick story time. It is now 3:10 a.m. I think I left at 9:30. 9:45ish. So the movie I watched, I think I mentioned that I watched a movie with my parents before I left. We watched Bird Box. We go to his friends thing. They're watching Bird Box again. And now I'm seeing 4 hours of this footage in one day. That was bad. We only stayed for a little bit. The countdown was off by 10 seconds. Then they started watching Family Guy, so we left. Also, the entire night I was checking the Uber prices because I knew it was eventually going to go up. It was 18. All of a sudden it pops to 40. And for the next 3 hours I can't get a ride. And the second it turned 17, I got out of there. Then, as my Uber driver is driving me back, we're like in my neighborhood, but he goes to turn into a parking lot, and I'm a little sketched out because I've heard some bad Uber stories. I go, oh, I think you just took the wrong turn, which he did. I think he hadn't been to my neighborhood before, which is fine. But then he's driving on the wrong side of the road for a little bit. But I made it home okay. And that was my story time for my New Year's Eve. And I hope you all had a safe New Year's Eve, even though I already did the outro. And yeah. I'm excited to film a lot of videos in the new year. I'm planning on posting a video every Thursday, I believe. It might change, but like the point is like once a week. Hopefully consistently on a day that I choose. I think it'll be Thursday, and yeah. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the year to come. Bye!